Okay guys, I wanted to show you how man overboard works on Lowrance units. You'll want to look up on your manual for other units how it works on those, but I just wanted to show you on Lowrance Gen 3. It's basically the same thing on all the HDS units. You have to have GPS, a GPS unit, but you'll notice on the button, let me get a good picture of it. Well, you can hardly see it, but on the plus and minus button just above it, you'll see MOB. So that indicates you'll hold those two buttons down at the same time. It'll create a waypoint and a route back to that man overboard position. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll push those two buttons at the same time. Let me clear cursor. Okay, here we go. Now I've created a man overboard. So now we've created this man overboard. This is actually a waypoint. It's stored in the unit. It's also, so you could navigate back to the man overboard from this screen here if you wanted. You could also hit pages. You can go to steer, and you'll notice this red arrow. It's basically telling me which way I need to turn or navigate to get back to the man overboard waypoint. So once it also, if you have other graphs networked, like I have a Gen 2 at the bow, it also transfers all of this to the front as well, so it's on both units. Additionally, if you power the unit off and back on, it's still, the man overboard is not erased. It still resides in the unit even if the unit's powered off and back on. So once the man overboard is done, there's two things you got to do to get rid of it. One is you can touch on, well, we can do it from the chart screen. I'm going to show you this. So you can touch on man overboard. Now we're going to delete it. It'll come up and say you are navigating to the waypoint MOB. Deleting will still cause navigation to continue to this position. We'll go ahead and delete because it's a waypoint. So we deleted the waypoint, but the route to that location is still existing, right? So we still see a red circle here, in here. So to get rid of that, you go to steer, and you'll see you still have the red arrow and everything there to navigate to the man overboard. So the only way you can get rid of it is hit cancel. And that is it. Anyway, I recommend you trying it on your own units to, you know, learn how it works and get used to it, to having there. It's one of those things, it's something, an accident happens or something, it's one of those things that's kind of hard to remember to hit that function, but it could be a lifesaver if you remember. I don't know, things happen, but anyway, that's just another safety feature that's on your boats that you can use to advantage in an emergency. We'll catch you later, guys. Bye.